Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can make your account public on Instagram Lite. So let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram Lite app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next tap on three lines icon. After that, tap on settings. Next tap on privacy. Then tap on account privacy. Then you can see the option of private account. Turn off it by tapping on it. So this is how you can make your account public on Instagram Lite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.